Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a peaceful paradise, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into the top 30 backyard Oasis design ideas for 2025, a collection of stunning and practical ideas to help you plan the ultimate retreat right at home. Whether you're working with a small balcony or a spacious yard, these ideas will inspire your next big garden makeover. From clever small backyard landscaping ideas to luxurious backyard landscape design with pool, this list has it all. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about garden path ideas. These are essential for both beauty and function. Use natural stone, gravel, or timber to create winding paths through your landscape. It gives structure and flow to your garden landscape design, and it instantly adds charm. Next, consider adding a water feature. A koi pond, a modern fountain, or even a simple waterfall can elevate your outdoor landscape design. Water brings a calming element, perfect for any backyard garden design ideas, especially if you're aiming for a zen or tropical vibe. Garden patio ideas are a must for 2025. Whether you're in the UK, Australia, or even Kerala, a stylish patio becomes the heart of your outdoor space. Think of natural stone flooring, modern furniture, and ambient lighting. These garden with patio ideas create the perfect spot for lounging, dining, or entertaining. Want to cook outside? Outdoor kitchens are huge right now. With grills, pizza ovens, and prep stations, it's one of the best backyard design ideas, especially if you love hosting. Pair it with a garden patio design for a seamless, functional space. For a cozy touch, sunken fire pits are trending in modern backyard landscape design. Surrounded by built-in seating, they create an intimate gathering spot, whether you have a large backyard or a compact patio garden. Now, if you're planning on growing your own food, you'll love these backyard vegetable garden design ideas. Raised beds, container gardens, or even vertical planters make it easy and stylish. For those in apartments or smaller spaces, patio garden ideas on a budget and container vegetable garden design ideas are game changers. Affordable, space-saving, and super practical. Next up, green walls and vertical gardens. These are perfect for smaller spaces, adding lush greenery to patios, balconies, or even fences. It's one of the top garden landscaping ideas this year, offering beauty and natural air purification. Thinking of a pool? Try combining it with smart landscaping. Backyard landscape design with pool is all about integrating your water feature into the overall garden. Add wooden decking, privacy screens, and soft lighting for a high-end look. Don't overlook the furniture. Garden furniture ideas this year lean into comfort and durability. Think modular seating, all-weather materials, and bold fabrics. Even better, you can create your own vibe with outdoor patio ideas DIY. For small spaces, small garden design and small backyard landscape design are all about maximizing functionality. Use vertical planters, foldable furniture, and multi-use zones to make every inch count. If you're dreaming of something a little more exotic, explore backyard Japanese garden design ideas. Minimalist, meditative, and packed with symbolism. Or go for a balcony garden design with container plants and hanging pots if you're short on space. Now let's talk about transitions. Creating a smooth flow between your indoor and outdoor areas is a top trend. Large sliding doors, matching flooring, and covered patios all help blend the spaces into one cohesive environment. These ideas for patios and gardens really help bring the outdoors in. Planning is everything. Use a garden planner app or sketch out your vision before diving into your project. Consider your layout, climate, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. That's the secret to a successful backyard garden landscape design. And if you're in India or Australia, we've got you covered. These backyard design ideas, India and backyard design ideas, Australia, are versatile and climate friendly. Use local materials and native plants for the most sustainable outcome. Now let's not forget about the charm of pathways and courtyards. Garden courtyard ideas, especially in tropical areas like Kerala, offer a peaceful escape filled with greenery, water features, and stone accents. You can even add a cozy garden porch for morning tea or evening relaxation. Want to decorate your garden? Add some flair with backyard garden decoration ideas. String lights, lanterns, garden art, and even themed plant pots can bring a lot of personality to the space. And finally, don't be afraid to go DIY. Whether it's a custom bench, a handmade planter, or a cozy nook built with pallets, Backyard design ideas DIY allow you to personalize your space on a budget. And there you have it, 30 beautiful backyard Oasis design ideas for 2025. From garden patio ideas and landscape and design tips to creative home garden ideas, we hope this inspired you to start planning your own outdoor retreat. Got a favorite idea from the list? Let us know in the comments. And if you're working on your own backyard garden design, whether it's a big makeover or a simple refresh, we'd love to see what you're creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more home and garden ideas. Until next time, happy landscaping!